Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram network not working problem and Instagram loading problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option, then tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission, first calendar allow, back second call logs allow, and select camera allow, contacts allow, and location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram and now check update your Instagram. My Instagram app already updated showing, and now tap on update option and waiting a few minutes. Now complete your Instagram update, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please like, comment and share now.